Okay, again, good morning, my dear students. Again, we are going to discuss about the force. In this topic, we have remained something is remained here. Again, we are going to discuss that. Okay, yes sir. यो च्याप्टरमा यो फोर्स भन्ने टपिकमा हाम्रो अझै पनि केही कुराहरू बाँकी छ त्यो कुराहरूको लागि हामी डिस्कसन गर्छौँ फर एक्जाम्पल अब डिस्कसन गर्छौँ हामी केलाई इनर्सिया okay, types of inertia means what? Inertia means the property of any object by which it can wants to remain in its what same state. Okay, के हो त इनर्सिया भने के हो त एउटा यस्तो प्रोपर्टी हो जस कारणले गर्दाखेरि के हुन्छ त जुन अब्जेक्ट जुन अवस्थामा छ त्यही अवस्थामा रहिरहन खोज्छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामी भन्छौँ इनर्सिया. ओके, द property of the body by which it wants to remain in its state of rest or uniform मोशन. के छ त यस्तो प्रोपर्टी जुन प्रोपर्टीको आधारमा जुन प्रोपर्टीको कारणले गर्दाखेरि कुनै पनि अब्जेक्ट हैन कि त रेस्टमा कि त मोसनमा रहिरहन खोज्छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामी भन्छौँ इनर्सिया. ओके, त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामी के भन्छौँ इनर्सिया भन्छौँ. त्यसपछि छ टाइप्स अफ इनर्सिया. First one is inertia of rest. Okay, inertia of rest means the property the property of the body by which it wants to remain in rest position in rest position. Okay sir, inertia of rest means what? The property of the body by which it wants to remain in rest position. के छ यस्तो प्रोपर्टी हैन कुनै पनि बडीको यस्तो प्रोपर्टी जुन प्रोपर्टीको आधारमा के हुन्छ त त्यो अब्जेक्ट चाहिँ रेस्ट पोजिसनमै के हुन्छ त बसिरहन खोज्छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामी भन्छौँ इनर्सिया अफ रेस्ट. ओके, अनदर इज इनर्सिया अफ motion. The property of the body by which it wants to remain in uniform motion. ओके, के छ यहाँ इनर्सिया मोसन भनेको यस्तो प्रोपर्टी जुन प्रोपर्टीको कारणले गर्दाखेरि के हुन्छ त हैन के छ जुन प्रोपर्टीको कारणले गर्दाखेरि कुनै पनि अब्जेक्ट आफ्नो युनिफर्म मोसनमै रहिरहन खोज्छ भने त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामी के भन्छौँ इनर्सिया अफ मोसन हैन फ्याक्टर एफेक्टिङ what? Inertia. Now that is factor affecting inertia. Factors what? Factors affecting inertia भन्छ हामी है factors affecting inertia. Okay. It is affected by especially it is affected by what? It is affected by what? Force of gravitation, gravity, or what is that called? Force of gravitation and friction. Okay, it is affected by gravity and friction. Okay. Another is momentum. What is that? Momentum. Another is what? Momentum. Okay. Momentum means the product of mass and what? Velocity. That is called momentum. Okay. Momentum is defined as the product of mass and velocity. Okay. It is denoted by sometimes P also. Okay. Its unit its formula is P equals to mass into what? Velocity. Okay. Mass into velocity. Okay. Its unit, its SI and CGS unit are CL, M, kg and meter per second. This is the unit of what? Momentum. Okay. Kg, meter per second and gram, centimeter per second. This is what? This is the formula of unit for the momentum. के छ? यो momentum भनेको त product of mass and velocity. Mass र velocity को product लाई हामी momentum भन्छौँ. यसलाई डिनोट गरिन्छ p ले हैन. यसको फर्मुला चाहिँ p = m * v हुन्छ है. यसको युनिट चाहिँ केजी मिटर पर सेकेन्ड हुन्छ एसआई मा भने ग्राम सेन्टिमिटर पर सेकेन्ड चाहिँ सीजीएस मा हुन्छ. Okay, that's much we are discussing today about the Newton's first law and second law and third law. We will discuss in our next class.